Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan muli ang pang-grade 4 na module. Ayan, ito yung ating... tama ba? Ayan, okay. Ayan, tama. Okay, so word problem tayo about division. So there are 4,000 apples to be placed equally in 25 baskets. How many mango? Ba't naging mangga? There are 4,000 apples noong una. Kaya nalilito yung mga bata eh. Okay, so how many mangoes or apples? Siguro typo error, pero ang layo, di ba? How many apples will be in each basket? Okay, so 4,000 apples, i-divide natin sa 25 basket. Okay, so dito tayo. Yan. Okay, so 4,000 pesos or 4,000 apples. Okay, so i-divide natin siya sa 25 baskets. Okay, so 40 divided by 25 is 1. Tapos meron tayong 25. 1 lang kasi dalawang 25 pesos ay 50 pesos. So since 40 lang to, isa lang. Okay, so 0 minus 5 cannot be borrowed from 4. So, magiging 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Tapos, ito magiging 3. So, 1. Okay? Then, bring down tayo ng 0. Okay, so 150 divided by 25. Okay, so 25. Kung 25 times 2, meron tayong 50. Okay? Tapos, 25 times 3. Kung magto-25 times 4 tayo, meron tayong 100. Okay? So, then 25 times 5. Let's say 5. So, meron tayong 25. Carry 2. 10, 11, 12. 125. So, kulang pa rin. So, pasok tayo sa 6. 25 times 6. Okay, so meron tayong 30. Meron tayong 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so eksakto. 150. So, 6. Okay. 6 times 25 is 150. Then, meron tayong 0. Okay, so bring down 0 tayo. Ganun na rin yun. So, 0 pa din. And 0. Okay, so ang sagot natin is 160 apples sa isang basket. Okay. Okay, in one basket, okay. Okay, sa isang basket, meron tayong 160 apples. Okay. So, yan ang ating sagot. Next, number 2. Okay, number 2. After a good harvest, Mr. Celso set aside 6,336 to be shared equally by his 12 workers. So, how much will each worker receive? 6,336 pesos. I-divide niya, ipamamahagi niya sa 12 manggagawa. Okay, so 6,336 pesos, i-divide niya sa kanyang 12 manggagawa. Okay, so 63 divided by 12. So, try natin, mag-times 5. Okay, mag-start tayo sa 5 para alam natin kung tataas tayo o bababa. Okay? So, 5 times 2 is 10. So, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. So, 60. So, meron tayong 5. And then, 12 times 5 or 12 times 5 is 60. Then, subtraction. So, meron tayong 3. Bring down 3. Okay, so 33. So, 12 tayong kanina, di ba? Okay. So, try natin ng 2. So, 4 and then 24. Kulang. Try natin ng 3. Meron tayong 6, 36. Sobra naman. So, 2 lang tayo. Then, 24. Okay, 3 minus 4 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 3. So, 13 minus 4 is, ilan to? 5. Okay. Tama ba? 13 minus 4. Okay, sorry, 9. Okay, so 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. Then, bring down tayo ng 6, 96. Okay, so ilan yan? Okay, so 12 times 8. Meron tayong 16, 8, and 9. Okay, sakto. So, 8. Then, 96. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang bawat isang manggagawa ay makaka-receive ng 528 pesos. Okay? Alright, so muli, hindi ko to sasagutan lahat. Okay, so sa mga grade 4 dyan, so kayo nang bahalang magsagot nung number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so at least meron na kayong idea paano sagutan ang ganitong word problem. Okay, so thank you so much. Ako po si Konkru TV. God bless you all.